Before I start this, if you have ever looked at your life and thought, everything looks fine, then why do I feel so empty? Then this video is for you, and I hope you watch it until the end. It's not some motivational speech, it's an honest talk about a feeling most of us do not talk about. Life seems fine on the outside. You are working, you are functioning, you are doing everything you are supposed to do, but you still feel a hollow on the inside. It's usually because you have been living on autopilot for way too long. You have become so good at meeting people's expectations of you that you have quietly disconnected yourself from your own life. Emptiness feels like a flaw, but it's actually a signal from our own mind that we have been strong for too long, that we have numbed ourselves. We are not broken, we are not ungrateful, we just carry more than people can see. We have been surviving for so long that we have actually forgot how to live. Coming back to yourself starts with honest conversations. If this message felt like it's written for you, then you are not alone in this. I'm slowly trying to figure out as well. And if you want to join me in this journey towards being more authentic, then subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps the video reach the right people. Also tell me in the comments what's one small thing you did for yourself today.